Hi, I'm Sulfy, the Sulfur Cycle sock puppet. Thank you for coming to watch my presentation on the Sulfur Cycle. Woo, sulfur! Nowadays, the main way sulfur gets into the atmosphere in large quantities is by humans burning fossil fuels and the process of extracting metal ores. This releases sulfur dioxides and trioxides into the air, as well as dry deposits of sulfates. Before fossil fuels, volcanoes were responsible for letting off the majority of sulfur compounds. These were largely sulfur dioxide and sulfates. In the atmosphere, dioxides combined with oxygen and formed trioxides as well. The sulfur dioxides and sulfur trioxides meet up with water molecules and fall to the earth as acid rain. As the sulfur falls back to the earth, it goes into the soil. Usually, it's absorbed by plants and used, but acid rain is too much sulfur landing on vulnerable parts like the leaves, and so it kills the plants. That's a bad thing. When plants reuptake sulfur, animals eat the plants and get the sulfur from the plants and use it to make proteins. The decomposition of plants and animals puts the sulfur reserves from their bodies back into the soil so that plants can reuptake sulfur. This is a much more gradual and small process than burning fossil fuels and releasing sulfur en masse. 70% of our planet is water, so it's pretty likely that more sulfur will return to the ocean and not to the land. In that case, ocean-dwelling microorganisms and planktons reduce sulfur and return it to sedimentary sulfur reserves at the bottom of the ocean, by their own eating it and then decomposing. Look at this healthy plant, ready to take in some sulfur and make it usable. Plants feed all kinds of animals, like monkeys. Human intervention causes a problem when we extract from those reservoirs faster than they are refilled, greatly increasing the loose sulfur in the environment. This is bad for the ecosystem, and it makes it so that we will run out of the things made of sulfur that we need because we're using them faster than they are being replenished. It's not sustainable, and it hurts all of us. Look at this chicken, a key part of the sulfur cycle. This has been the Sulfur Cycle. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, hold the applause. Thank you. Woo! Thanks. Thanks, everybody. Love me some Sulfur Cycle. It's great. Have a nice day.